Welcome to the new video, guys. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic of physics, that is dimensional analysis. Okay, in this topic, in this video, we will discuss about what is called dimensions and how can we write the dimensional formula of any physical quantity. So let's start the topics. First of all, we have to see the meaning of dimension. What is the meaning of dimension? That first of all we have to see. So dimension means the physical quantity, or we can say the dimensions of a physical quantity. The dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers of, are the powers to which we can say the fundamental units of mass, length and time. Mass, length and time have to be reached to obtain its unit. Okay guys, so in word it's very long, but in short, if you want to understand dimension in very simple word, then we can say dimension means the power. What? Power of any physical quantity in terms of mass, length and time, that is considered as the dimensions. Okay, this is very easy. So if you want to write the dimensions, then mass, suppose we have, so in dimensional formula, in dimensional analysis, mass is written in terms of capital M. Okay, length is written in terms of capital L, and time is written in terms of capital T, guys. Okay, in mechanics actually, because we are studying dimension right now, and dimension is the part of mechanics. Clear? So in very short, we can say dimension means the powers. What? The powers of physical quantity in terms of mass, length and time. Clear? That is considered as the dimensions. Clear? And in dimension, mass is compressed in terms of capital M, length is written in terms of capital L, and time is written in terms of capital T, guys. Okay, so this is very easy about the dimensions. What is the meaning of dimensions? Okay guys, now we will see how to write, how can we write the dimensional formula of the physical quantity. So suppose we have any physical quantity, like as, first of all, let's take a very simple physical quantity, that is velocity. Okay, so how can we write the dimensional formula of this velocity? Okay guys, so it is very easy. We can easily write the dimensional formula of velocity. So first of all, we need the dimensional formula, or before writing the dimensional formula, we need the formula of velocity. So we know formula of velocity is equal to distance by time. Distance, or also we can write displacement. Okay guys, so distance by time. Okay, now we have to consider what the distance represent and what the time represent in dimensional analysis. Distance represent actually length, and length is written in terms of L or not. So we can write the dimensional value of distance, that is L here. Okay, then after we have to consider time in terms of dimensions, and we all have studied before, no, about time. Time is written in terms of capital T right now here, no, in dimensional analysis. And if we write these all two quantity in terms of very simple, then we can write that is L1 and T minus 1. Okay, so in short, also we can write L1 T minus 1. So it becomes the dimensional formula of velocity. Okay guys, so the dimensional formula of velocity is L1 T minus 1. But if anybody asked with us what is the dimension of velocity, then we have to say the dimension of velocity is 1 and minus 1, and this 1 is the power of length, no, and this minus 1 is the power of T minus 1, sorry, time taken. That's why if anybody asked with us about the dimension of velocity, then we can say 1 minus 1, because dimension represented by the power of any physical quantity. Clear? And this becomes L1 T inverse 1, that becomes the dimensional formula. Okay guys, so this is the first method, first physical quantity which dimension formula we have written here. Then after, let's see the next physical quantity and write the dimensional formula of that physical quantity also. So let's take another quantity, that is density. Okay, suppose we have density. Okay, density, then write the formula of density. What is the formula of density? The formula of density is mass by volume. No, we have already studied, because this is the very simple topics of physics, that is density. No, so mass represented by capital M, we already understood these topics. And volume, what is the formula of volume? So the formula of volume is L into B into H. No, so this M same, but length, breadth and height, that all represent length or not. So we can write here L, again L and again L, because this length, breadth and height, that all represent the length of the body. No, so after combining these all all dimensional value, we can write M upon L cube. No, yes or no guys? So after this we can write M 1 L minus 3, and let's see here, time is not given, so but we have to include the time also, and time is not given here, so we can write T to the power 0 here. Okay guys, so this becomes the dimensional formula of density. We don't have to do any detail, we only have to see, we only have to know the formula of that type of physical quantity which will be asked in the examinations. Then have to write their formula and compress that all formulas values in terms of dimensional analysis and write the power. Okay, so this becomes the dimensional formula of density guys. Like this we can write the dimensional formula of different physical quantity. Okay guys, so I think you all have understood this very well, because this is very fantastic topic guys. By this process we can write the dimension formula of any physical quantity. Okay guys, thank you.